Okay, hello everyone. Before we started, I'd like to draw your attention to this notice. Please focus on our presentation. And if you are on our email list, already received a copy of this slide. So if you haven't, please let us know. Okay, let's get started. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Yudha Permana. I am mechatronic engineering student in Kalibata. So today I will present to you about uh, online education. Online education. So I will begin by giving you an overview. First, we'll talking about its history, then its definition, and then its advantage, and last, and we'll finish in our conclusion. So let's get started. Online education in computer and technology, telecommunication. Online indicates a state of connectivity and offline indicates a disconnected state. Today, this terminology refers to the internet connection and also refers to equipment or system that connected to larger system. Online term was used commonly in railroad and telegraph industry in 19th century. Back then, this term was used to indicate the track status and the railroad status. Uh, to indicate the track status of for the railroad and indicate the connected power source for telegraph, whether it's direct online or battery online. In etymology, uh, the word education derived from the word education. It means that I educate, I train. So education already began in prehistory. The adults teach their descendants to transfer the knowledge that they received from their ancestor. Back then, they teach them by orally and by storytelling to give the knowledge or by skills by implementing their knowledge so the young can learn from directly from what they say. Today, formal education is divided into stages. It's like prehistory, pre preschool, primary school, university, or apprenticeship. Apprenticeship. Also, student education may also achieve from informal learning, such as from organization and self-taught. So, also education may achieve from electronic learning that you will gaining this information electronically by using mentor or not. So this will involving the internet as an abandonment of the future technology to learn something new. Seth Griffith from PHLearn said that online learning will switch into from being a punchline into a respected option. For your information, PHLearn is an online education online design institution that serves many designs courses for beginners to professionals. So you may check it out. Uh, from from what Seth Griffith says that online edu- uh, online education has potential to give a better education in the future. By saying better education, of course, it have advantage and its disadvantage. Uh, we're talking to its advantage first. First is flexibility. Flexibility is the online students can take their courses everywhere according to the schedule that they take. So whether when they were working or they work in a part time, so they still able to learning their courses because they choose their own schedule. The second point is convenience. Because it is flexibility, the convenience, the students able to choose where is the place to take their courses. So it will take the student convenience uh, to a comfort place, so such as at home, at the coach, or something like that. And the student, of course, will not easily get distracted by their surrounding because there's no one around him or her. So the third point is easy submission. Easy submission, it means that the students and the teachers will have an easy paper or easy assignment submission. So this will help the students and the teachers so they will not have to meet each other and giving them the paper and giving and receive the papers. So they will read this the paper too, of course. After knowing the advantage we are talking about, it's the disadvantage. We have five disadvantages. It is limited collaborative learning, lack of structure, limited social and time cons- time commitment, and less accountability. Limited collaborative learning means that uh, uh, online student is difficult to engage a deep conversation with other students or the teacher that will lead to another idea. Of course, this means it is difficult to have a brainstorm in online education. The next is online structure. A lack of structure. Lack of structure means that lack of structure. It means that uh, lack of structure. It means that uh, online student will easily get unmotivated because there's no one around him to push him and to keep him stay motivated. And the third point is limited social interaction. Because it is alone or there's no one, of course, there's no one around you, so you will have limited social interaction except if you are having a conference room in online, such as in Zoom or Google Classroom. And time commitment. Uh, I'm saying time commitment is disadvantage because you will have to keep your schedule to do these online courses, not like school. You have to attend the school and you will have to you will able to do something else after the school. And next is less accountability. When online uh, when offline schools have you in online school you have in offline school you have um, in offline school you have an informal feedback after the grades will given. In offline school you will have informal feedback. So of course, because you are unable to socialize directly except you are having except you are having a conference classes. So our conclusion is flexibility and convenience. Flexibility, convenience, and easy submission are the advantages of the online education. Students must have a strong will to succeed in online education by looking on its disadvantage. The major disadvantage is lack of discipline and lack of social interaction. These two major disadvantages will able to be solved by working hard and keep motivated. Especially discipline is a time commitment and effort to keep interacting, cosmet and socialize. So whatever the method is, there will be still opportunity to learn more and more. So I will finish this presentation by giving you a quote. Whether it's online, whether it's a joke or not, once you take it seriously, it is serious. Thank you so much. My name is Yudha Permana. See you later.